Today's video with Average Guy DIY, how to drive, Lyft, and Uber. First thing you're gonna have to do when you get in the car, open your apps. I've got mine saved to my home screen here. I always sign into Lyft first because that's the easiest one to sign into. Go online, it asks you if you're masked up, click the OK button, you're ready to rock and roll. Go over to the Uber app, because any successful driver uses both apps. The app asks you to mask up first before you can go online. Action required, confirm COVID precautions. You're gonna take a quick pick, ghost mask. Thanks for verifying. You won't drive, COVID, disinfect my vehicle, wash and sanitize my hands regularly. Then you gotta slide down and hit your go button. We'll go ahead and leave the house. Best thing to do when leaving your house, you're gonna get on the highway, drive to the city, to where all the busy rides are. Unless you already live in the busy part of town. 8 minutes away, we got a 5.0 rider. We'll go ahead and accept that. When you accept your first ride, you can hit the navigate button, and that'll take you directly to your rider. We're about to pull up our rider here, so we're gonna mask up. And then you wanna position your car so your passenger door is on the side where you're gonna pick them up. That's the most convenient, so they sit on that side, so if you're talking or anything like that, you can communicate with them. But for real, you just wanna be able to see them actually in the car for safety reasons. When they pick up, confirm their name somehow, doesn't really matter how.
Yeah, hi.
Hey, come on in.
Cool car.
Welcome, gentlemen. Right?
Yes.
Come on in. Is it for?
Wow, this is a cool car.
Well, thank you. Where are we going tonight? What's the address?
Henry's.
Yeah, that's the right place. I got the right girls. What address we going to? What's the address we're going to?
Missouri Athletic.
That's the place. I got the right people.
There you go.
Off we go.
Always good to check.
You know how many times I've dropped people? I got to the location, like, where are we? And I'm like, I don't know.
Really?
Yeah, because
Even after asking their name?
asking their name, but then they put in the wrong address, and we drive a half hour. Like,
Oh, really?
these one guys were in town for a wedding, and I drove them all the way out to the middle of nowhere, and the wedding wasn't there, so we had to drive an hour the other way, and they had to pay for the whole thing. So I always ask them now, do you ladies have a music preference? You guys got a music preference? Since we're going on a long ride, you really can listen to whatever the fuck you want to, because it's a fire stick.
I was trying to take this in real quick.
You need to gauge your audience. What I mean by that, gauge your riders that are in the back seat.
I gotta assume these are aftermarket, right?
Yeah, I put all these TVs in here.
Okay.
Yeah.
What year is this?
14.
My dad's got a 05. It ain't nothing like this.
They're talkative. Give them something to talk about. Find something in common and keep the conversation going.
We moved from Maryland there.
The main thing is to be yourself, but you'll notice I have two different tones. Check out how much more laid back and professional I am with this couple. What part of Maryland are you guys from?
Northern Baltimore County?
Yeah?
Yeah.
My family's from Baltimore.
Really?
Yeah, my dad, we owned a house there for a very long time. My grandmother built the house. If they want to talk, give them that conversation. Your job is to entertain the rider, whether they want you to shut the fuck up or talk. That's their entertainment. If they're giving you one-word answers, that means shut the fuck up. Quit talking to them and just drive. Always thank your rider for the ride, appreciate them, and hopefully you get a tip. If not, oh well. All right, brother. Thanks for riding me, man. Enjoy the rest of the night. Peace, man. Have a good night, man. Appreciate you, brother.
Stay up, man.
Good to meet you, man. Right, girl. Have a good night at work tonight. You're welcome. Thank you. You're gonna click on both apps again because you want to figure out which one's gonna pick first. And you're gonna repeat the process over again. Pretty simple. Don't push yourself all the way through the night without taking any breaks. Make sure you take your breaks, get gas. Not only do you have to refuel your car, you gotta refuel yourself. Eat some quick-cured hot dogs. Never pass a bathroom that you'll pee at.